Hey guys! So today I have a couple of helpers with me. We were supposed to be heading to Disney World tomorrow, but obviously that's not going to happen anymore. So instead we thought we'd do a craft. Are we going to do a craft?
I'm doing a craft.
You're doing a craft. Okay, so we are going to be making some Grand Floridian inspired shower tablets today. And I thought, why not have the kids help me out? And if you guys do enjoy seeing them and want to see more, I do have a vlog channel. It's called The Brightwoods, which I will link below if you are interested in seeing more from these two lovely faces. But as for right now, let's hop into it. These are really, really simple. All you need is some baking soda and water for the actual tablets, some essential oils to make it smell nice, and then I am also going to be using a little bit of craft glitter just to make them look a little bit more interesting. So I have a bowl here and I'm going to put 1 cup of baking soda in there with 1/3 of a cup of water. And this is only going to make 3 tablets, but I'm the only one that uses them. So since we're not seeing anyone, then it's just me that I'm doing this for. So I'm gonna mix this all together and it will make kind of a paste-like substance. And that is basically what the shower tablet is made of. It's just baking soda and water. So now that I have my paste, I'm going to take a cupcake tin with some liners in it and just scoop that paste right into these little cups. Just like that. Now that the paste is in there, I'm just going to kind of tap down on this until it kind of flattens out a bit. I'm now going to go ahead and bake them at 350 for about 10 minutes. So while those are baking, I thought I'd take a moment to talk about the essential oils I'm using. These are all from Rocky Mountain Oils and I love them. I think they're so pretty. I'm going to be using 2 drops of Sweet Oasis, 1 of spearmint, 1 geranium, and 1 grapefruit to scent my tablets. But this is obviously where you can go all out. You can do whatever you would like. This is just the blend that I liked, so that's the one I'm going to be using today. These have just come out of the oven, so I'm going to put my oils on. I'm going to use 2 of that Sweet Oasis on each one. One of spearmint. One of grapefruit. Oops. And luckily this is not an exact science, so as you can tell I've dropped a few, but that's okay. And then 1 of geranium. So I'm sorry if you can hear the kids in the background, but they're having fun. So I'm going to let these dry for about 5 minutes and then I will come back and finish them up. So I've just flipped my tablets over onto this drying rack and I'm going to very, very gently take the cupcake wrappers off. And finally, I'm just going to take a little bit of glitter and gently shake it right on top, just to give it a little bit of something extra. And there we go, my Grand Floridian inspired shower tablets. They are quite fragile, so if you're not planning on using them right away, I would recommend storing them in a glass mason jar. And to use them, all you have to do is stick one on the floor in the corner of your shower so that when the mist hits it, that's what's going to activate those essential oils and really give you a nice shower experience. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, certainly give it a thumbs up and let me know if there are any other essential oil combinations that you are doing. I would love to hear that. And I think that's gonna do it.
I'm tired.
You're tired?
Yeah, I'm going to take a bath after I get sleepy.
Oh, okay. So that is it for our craft. I think I've lost both the kids now, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you want to see more from these lovely faces, then certainly check out our vlog channel. And if you are interested in hanging out with us here on this channel too, certainly hit the subscribe button, notification bell, all that jazz. And I'm going to get these two down for a nap because I think it's about that time. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Say bye!
Bye.
Bye!